So the GWDG is a joint institution of the Max Planck Society and the Georg August University of Göttingen. It serves two purposes. On the one hand, it is basically the typical university data center, and then on the other side, we offer AI services, we offer high-performance computing services.
Challenges that we faced was that we wanted, of course, to have a solution that is efficient and helps us lowering our carbon footprint. We needed a solution that is a good fit with the cooling infrastructure we already had at our data center.
CoolIT Systems is a global leader in liquid cooling technology for the world's most demanding computing environments. We do everything from cold plates to manifolds to CDUs and everything in between. Well, with new generation processors just getting hotter and hotter and demanding more efficient thermal solutions, liquid cooling is actually a mandatory thing.
Introduction of direct liquid cooling in our system has allowed us to increase the density of our compute racks by a factor of 3 to 4, and additionally the PUE of our systems be decreased dramatically down to 1.07. The Stolply quick disconnects allow us to maintain our system very easily, especially integration of new servers can be done in normal operation, and also repair work does not require any downtimes.
So at CoolIT, we're building the next generation of performance cooling solutions for everything from HPC systems like GWDG to high-density AI platforms such as the GB200 and GB300.
CoolIT solution being so modular and open, you will be able to support all kinds of hardware in the future, just like you would be able with air-cooled solution.